The message box and print message blocks in the communication section of our builder allow you to display messages within CTrader when activated. Starting with the message box block, when opened, it provides the option to enter a title and text to communicate important information or alerts to the user. It has two sections. Title. Here you can specify the title of the message. Message text. This field allows you to enter the text of the message you want to display. This block is used to communicate crucial information or important alerts directly within the trading platform. When activated, a text box will appear in the center of the screen, displaying the desired message. The print message block functions similarly to the message box block. Like the message box, you can enter text here to communicate information or alerts to the user. However, unlike the message box, the print message records the text in the CTrader log section. This block is useful for recording important information or warning messages in the CTrader log, allowing the user to review them later. In conclusion, the message box and print message blocks enable communication of information and alerts directly within the CTrader trading platform. Both are useful for improving transparency and understanding during trading operations.